Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. A couple of weeks ago, while on our way home from Smoky Lake, we noticed signs for Metis Crossing. We did not have time to stop in and look around, so we vowed to come back later. Now, usually that doesn't work out. However, this week we managed to make it back, and to our surprise, we happened to show up during the 5th annual Metis Fest. Nestled along the banks of the mighty North Saskatchewan River is Metis Crossing, a cultural heritage gathering center in the county of Smoky Lake. There's a lot of history jammed into this place, and while I am an interloper, I was welcome with no questions asked. Due to the fact that we were there during Metis Fest, which by the way was the brainchild of the Metis youth of Alberta, there was music, dancing, and an abundance of food trucks in the parking lot. Because of prior commitments, we had to leave before the jigging contest and the bison supper. But hopefully next year we can go back and spend the whole day enjoying the rich culture of the Metis people. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon. It lets me and YouTube know I'm doing a good job. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.